Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another cooking video. This is chicken chimichangas in the crock pot. We start off by putting 2 chicken breasts in the crock pot, followed by a cup of salsa. We make our own salsa, so that's what that is. A can of fire roasted tomatoes, a can of green chilies, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, one tablespoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half of a teaspoon of paprika, half of a teaspoon of pepper, and half of a teaspoon of oregano. Next is chipotle chili powder. I believe that's a half teaspoon also. And then we just mix everything around. I know it sounds like a lot to go into one recipe, but I promise it is good. I mix everything up so that all of the spices can get all mixed in with the tomatoes and the salsa that I put in, and then I put the lid on and I cook it. I cook it on high for 2 hours first, just so I could separate those pieces of chicken since they were frozen, and then I turned it to low and cooked it for I think another like 5-6 hours. Once it was finished, I just took the lid off and started shredding up all of those chicken breasts and getting it all incorporated with all those juices. I'll show you the final result at the end. I'll link the recipe below for anyone that wants to try this recipe. It's one of our favorites. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. See you in the next one.